Hello everyone, so we're here from this analyze of these games here in Sherha Masters 2025. So it means, but I'm sorry I got wrong of this in this word from this one round number 7. I thought so it means round number 6 from this one. So it means very got forgotten here. So it means I'm sorry guys, I forgot something my thinking. So I forgot in this word this round number 6. So it means the round number 7 is wrong. So it means the correct word is round number 6 from this one. But I'm sorry everyone, I got wrong. But it means I just forgot this one. So it means just forget it from this one. So it means today's round number 7 from this one. So it means after round number 6. So it means today's round number 7 from this one. So it means round number 7 we have two analyze of these games here. So it means two games analyzed here from this one. So it means the first game and also have between from this Grandmaster in Netherlands is Anish Giri versus the Grandmaster in Uzbekistan is Norderbek Abdusattorov from this one. So after the first game, the next second game in this second game from this between Grandmaster Jujurner versus and international master in India is Aronyak Ghosh from this one. So it means these are the long game between 1 hour and 30 minutes from this chess clock. So it means round robin from this one. So in today's round number 7 here in this part of this video, you have analyzed here of these chess games in this Sherha round number 7. So white plays Giri is d4, d5 up to Sattorov, c4, e6, queen's gambit decline, and knight f3, and also knight f6. So it means, so these are the main line is also pawn takes captured, queen's gambit accepted from this one. And if you move by e3 here from this one, and also b5. So it means b5 are without slightly better from whites and blacks here from this one. So move up to Sattorov is knight f6 here, and also g3, pawn takes c4, queen's gambit accepted, and bishop to g2, knight c6, and queen a4. So it means without queen a4 by Giri, without targets by check or threats by knights. So it means without develops here from this one, or maybe without threats by pawns, threatening by pawns without diagonals, or maybe without acute angles. So I thought acute angles from this one without mathematicians here. And bishop b4 check, and bishop to d2 without bishop to bishop, and knight d5. So it means without knight d5 here, and bishop takes captured, knight takes captured, and castling by Giri. So it means without castling from this development, and rook to b8. So it means without rook to b8 here from this one, and knight c3, a6 without move by Abdusattorov, with idea to forwards to without b5, without threats by queens. So it means these are develops here, or targets are connecting by here without threats here, or develops here from this one. And also knight e5. So it means without knight e5 here, without upcoming by captured by here, without captured by knights here from this developed here, or connecting by captured. So realize to captured by knights here, or maybe here by bishop to knights. So I don't know what is these targets from this one from captured here from this one. And castling by Abdusattorov, and bishop takes c6. So it means none of this booklet, novelty. Old main lines, knight takes captured. So knight takes c6 here from this one. So it means knight takes c6 are old main lines here. So it means the novelty by Giri, bishop takes knight, and knight takes captured, knight takes, pawn takes. So we realized that with the opening by here by up to Saturop. So up to Saturop with the idea to targets by pawns, threat by pawns by b2. That develops here from this one. And queen takes captured by pawns here, and also queen d6. So it means without queen d6 here, or maybe without without develops here from this one. So it means queen d6 with idea to move by rook to d8. So it means rook d8 here from this one without doubles here from this one, and also b3. So repeat here. So in accept, why don't we here captured by rook takes accepted without rook takes b2 here? So what do you think here from this one? And decided it's rook takes fb1 without to accepted here. If you decided to captured and decided this one is rook takes captured with idea to forward here without captured by without slightly better scoots from whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is one is queen d6 here, or without upcoming by forwards to rook to fd8. So it means without rook fd8 without doubles here from this one, and also b3 by Giri here, and also rook b4. So without rook b4 by Abdulsatorov, without targets by threats by queen, neutralized by queens here from this one. And also knight e4, good move by Giri with idea to Giri to threats by queens, and also the rook threats by queens without queens to queens, or maybe queens to queens here from this one. And also wait, the mouse is the mouse is getting works, cannot work here. So let's continue. So Abdulsatorov rook takes queen, and the Giri knight takes queen captured. So it means without knight takes captured, without threats by here, with the threats by rook, or pawns without threats by rook. We need more careful here from these ones. These are the develops by connecting here from this one by rook. And also rook takes captured without threats by knights. Knight c4. Oh, knight c4 here. So it means so knight and bishop. So it means bishop and knights versus bishop here from this one. In accept, why don't we knight takes bishop and rook takes knight? So it means the realized two determinations without good slightly whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is knight c4 and e5 without develops here, or without sacrifice by pawns here without Abdulsatorov. So the realized these are the connecting by knights or the pawns. So these are the threats here from this one. And also knight takes sacrifice by pawns, and rook to e4 with the threats by knights. Knight takes captured. Oh my god, these are the weakest pawn. So how many pawns here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 pawns and 5 pawns. So it means 6 pawns by Giri and 5 pawns by Abdulsatorov. So it means 6 versus 5. And also rook takes captured. So it means same by 5 pawns. So it means captured, and rook fe1 without rook to rooks, and rook fe8 battery by Abdulsatorov, and in accept Giri rook takes captured, and rook d1 king f8. So why don't we rook takes free pawns? In accepted here from this one. What do you think from this one? And also knight to b4 without doubles by pawns, or maybe by, oh my god, without doubles. So these are the doubles here from this one, and also decided this one is, what do you put this one, and decided is rook to a5. So it means rook to a5. These are develops here from this one. So wait for a moment. These are the problems is my laptops, my errors, my computer here from this one. So it means rook a5. So computer, these are the problems from this error from this virus. I don't know virus by laptops here. So let's continue this one. So let's continue from, so it means, so let's continue king f8 by up to Saturov, and king f1 without threats by rooks, and rook to e8 backwards, and also f3, bishop to e7 threats by knights, and also good move rook c1 by Giri. Good move, without great move here. And also rook e3 without threats by pawns, without b3 or f3 without doubles, and king to f2, rook d3, and also king e2 with the threats by rooks, rook d5, and the last shot is knight b4 with idea to targets by here with the targets by rooks, or knights here with the threats by rooks. So it means these are accepted with idea to decisions to agree draw from this one. Same by draw. So it means why they draw, because if you move here is also rook to d7 without slightly rooks here from this good decision. So it means decided to accept agree draw. So the same score, the score from this Anish Giri is 99.4, and also score by Norderbeck up to Saturov is 99.3. So the winner of this first occurrence score, Grandmaster Anish Giri. So it means winner from this one. So the next second game, and also second game by next game from this second game, and also Grandmaster Zhu Zhener and from China, and also the international master in India, Aronyak Grosh. So what do you think of this second game? So let's start. So the next second game, and also both between from this Grandmaster in China, Zhu Zhener, versus international master in India, Aronyak Grosh. So white plays Zhu is e4, Caro-Kann defense by Aronyak, d4, d5, f3. So it means it's called Caro-Kann defense fantasy variation from this one. So these are the main line here is also used by push to the e5. So it means without push e5 here, or maybe without develops by push e5 without develops here. So back there, so Zhu move by f3 fantasy variation by Caro-Kann, and queen to b6 by Aronyak. So it means these are the strongest move by here. So it means without strongest by Aronyak, and knight c3 here without decisions to development by determinations, and e6 here, a3. So it means no more by bishop to b4 without no more by bishop to b4 or development here from this one. So it means determinations. And also bishop to a7, e7. So it means bishop to e7 here, and also bishop e3. So it means these are develops or defense by pawns, knight d7 by Aronyak. So it means without determinations or without controls, and also b4 by Zhu. So it means without the strongest move here, a5 by Aronyak, and push b5. So it means without sacrifice. I don't know sacrifice by pawns here from this one, and captured, and also e5, queen d2 without develops here from this one, or maybe without defense here by without controls or determinations by connecting here, and forward queen c7 here, and knight f3 by Zhu, knight gf6. So it means without knight gf6 here, or realize with idea to castling by Aronyak. So it means without develops here from this one, and also b6 by here without push by Zhu. So where is the threats? So these are the threats by queens. So these are the pawns threats by queens here without neutralized by queens here from these determinations here. and also queen d6. So it means, for example, so why don't we queen takes accepting pawns here from this one? So what do you think from this queen takes b6 here? And also rook b1 with a threatening by queens here, and also queen to c7. So it means without queen to c7 here, or maybe without develops here from this one, or maybe without continuations here. So Aroniak moved by queen d6 by Aroniaks here without targets here, and also captured by pawns. So it means these are the threats by knights or queen. So it may be without problems to pawns to capture, two threats by doubles by queens and knights. So these are develops here from this one. So it means these are the targets from these examples, from these threats by both here or targets. And knight takes captured, queen takes accepted, bishop takes, and also bishop d4. So it means these are novelty. So these are the old main line here is also bishop to e2 without development. So it means bishop to e2 are main lines or old main lines here. So it means ready by castling by here. Ready by castling without develops here from this one. So the new novelty is bishop to d4 here, and also knight fd7. So it means without threats by pawns. So I don't know what you think is threats by pawns here. And also knight e4 without develops here, and also f6. So it means f6 here, and also c4. So it means without c4 here, with the idea to move by here or move by c5 without threats by bishop. But thinking is but thinking also have determinations by connecting here from this pass pawn here from this one. And also force king e7 by Aroniak. So these are king e7. So what do you think is by using castling king side? So it means without castling king side by develops here. So it means these are the time to castling by Aroniak here. So it means castling king side. So it means Aroniak is king e7 by never by castling king side. So it means the realize, so Aroniak doesn't want castling king side from this one. And also c5 without push, strongest move by Zhu, without threats by bishop or threatening by bishops here from this one. And also knight takes captured check. So it means without knight takes captured check, and also pawn takes knight and bishop e5. So it means bad move by Aroniak. So the best moves there is backward bishop to b8. So it means without bishop to b8 here without determinations. So it means bishop backwards b8 here. So back there is bishop e5 and castling queen side. So it means wrong castling queen side. So the best moves there is bishop takes captured and pawn takes captured. So it means these are determinations here from this one. So it means castling queen side is very wrong by castling queen side. So it means very wrong. Very wrong here from this one. And also decided bishop takes captured, rook takes bishop, and also g5 without move by determinations here. And bishop to e2, knight e5. So it means without knight e5 here, or maybe without move here without decided here from this one. And also rook hd1 without battery. So these are the so it means knight e5. So the realized two upcoming battery. So Zhu battery rook hd1. So it means without battery here. And also bishop to a6. So it means bishop to a6 here. So the realized two upcoming by here by forwards to b3 by bishop with the threats by here by rook without determinations here. And also king c2 and last shot rook hg8. So it means the decided is a grid draw from round number 7. So these are the again by a grid draw here from this one. So it means very easy fasting here from this one. So So the score from this one by accuracy by white pieces by Grandmaster Zhu Junior is 94.5, and the black score by accuracy black by I am Aronyak Ghosh is 96.7. So the lowest score from white and the highest score. So the winner of highest score from black pieces is International Master Aronyak Ghosh. So it means wins for blacks here. So next round number 8. So 2 rounds left here from this one. So I will analyze of this round number 8 soon here from this one. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka iCoolMike17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep update of these next chess updates here. So it means happy Saturday. Bye bye.